He's having a good time in there, isn't he? He's like kind of stuck. He's had to turn himself upside down. Not that that really matters for a bee. It's quite comfortable. It's like a little cradle to sit in. It's like, I'm going deep. I'm going in. All the good stuff's in the back. Oh, I gotta turn around. Okay, oops. No, where are you going now? Next. He's gotta clean up his legs first.
I just follow.
There he is. Where's he going? There. No, no. Oh, here we go. So yes, these are Paulownia tomentosa. Obviously well loved by bees. They're quite spectacular flowers. Huge, big, green, fluffy leaves. Hairy leaves. These are pecans. Can't wait to see our first pecan nuts. What else can I show you today? I'll pause and find something else. A nice little fuchsia in flower. Amazing, lots of buds coming. Oh, hello. Hey mate. Good. I'm just making a little video. Sorry, I hope you don't mind. I'm now just sort of startled by the camera, but yeah, we're all just having a bit of a tour. So this is another section of our plant collection, and this is an erica. Actually, are the ericas native? I can't remember. I think erica. Anyway, super cute little puffy bell-shaped honeysuckle sort of flowers.
Some species are native.
Yeah, but I think some species are a bit weedy too. I read something about that. Anywho. Hey! G'day! Where are you off to? Good morning. What have we got here? Some bonsai. Different. Yeah. Oh, this is one of my favourites. This is a purpurea. Acacia Baileana purpurea. Beautiful. Sort of silver, cloudy purple foliage. Lovely. What else? Oh, this little Symphyvivum garden is really cool. Oh, hear that bird? That's a whippet bird. It's actually two birds. One's going, and then the other one goes, choo, and they time it in a very clever way. Very cool. And there's masses of Symphyvivums, because I've been growing them for a long time. Some of them are just starting to get pups. And these ones are really starting to fill out. And yeah, there's lots. Wow, the sun's just come out in full force. This succulent garden. Looking alright. A few more down here as well. What have we got? Some more trees. This is a nice, what's it called again? Eliocarpus umundi. One of Laura's favourite trees, which I now like because Laura likes it. And it is really nice. It's like a rainforest tree. Gets this beautiful orange, sort of apricot marmalade foliage. Native Australian, of course. And this is a leptospermum, native Australian tea tree. It's interesting, big flowers. There's a lot of different types of leptospermum, but that one's got probably the biggest flowers that I've seen. And what else we got down here? More succulents, actually, this area. These Mexican giants are looking pretty amazing. They're getting quite large. They're probably one of the larger varieties that I have been collecting and seen get to that sort of size. Oh, I got that big garden bed down here which I'm playing around with. This is one of my old ceramic pots which I've planted out once again. We're just waiting for it to finish sort of evolving. This area here is actually portulaca. No, it's a Carpobrodus, orange flowering pig face, which should add a bit of orange colour to it, which will be nice. And then here's Convolvulus sabatius, which is spilling over the edge. And what else we got? Some other. This garden here, actually, the pyramid pot. Mind the stake, which is actually that's the chain that holds it all up, but it's not being suspended at the moment. But I planted this pratia around one corner and it looks fantastic. What a great ground cover. And there's a few Hoyas in there, like these Hoyas leaves are getting a little bit burnt, but look nice with that orange blush. And some bromeliads and creeping fig, which is now sort of nicely sort of spilling over the edges. Really have to find a home to hang it up somewhere. Yeah, anyway, I think that's about it for today. Say bye, Laura. Or bye, Daniel.